Hi, scientists. It is time to talk about butterflies and caterpillars. Okay, so we're going to do a little caterpillar update today. So, these caterpillars arrived at my house on, let's see, let's look at this calendar right here. They arrived at my house on, I think, Wednesday, the 29th. Okay, that night, because then I did show and tell with you guys the next day and showed them to you, right? So that means they got here the 29th. So that was day one. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So today is day 10. Day 10. Now it says it takes about 10 days or so for them to molt for the last time and start to be in chrysalis formation. So I have them right here to show you, but let's look back. Let's look back at day one. So here they were on day one, and we see the food in the cup, and we see this little tiny caterpillar. Now, you know what we don't see? We don't see any poo. Remember, the poo is called frass. We don't see any frass. Do we see any skin balls? No. Do we see any webs that they've made for protection? No, these cups look super clean. So that was day one. Then day five, look at the difference. They're getting bigger. And look at all these little balls of poo, of frass. And then we see where they have started to molt right here. Here's a little skin ball. Here's another skin ball. So they are changing and growing. So this was day one, day five. And now let's look at day 10. Ready? Let's look at day 10. Very careful. Okay, so I have them right here. I'm going to make my video bigger. Here we go. And now we're going to look at day 10. So what do we notice? Like, look at this one. Wait, look at this one. Look how big that caterpillar is now. Do you see the difference? Wow, and he's eaten so much of that food, and he's got a ton of balls of frass, and they're getting bigger because he's getting bigger. And at the top, it's hard to see. I don't want to hurt him, but he has made a web. Can you see that web in there? He has made a web for protection. That web that's in there, see the webs? That protects him. He does that in nature, and it's good that they do it in this little cup. Now, do any of them have a J shape yet and are hanging from the top of the cup? No. I don't see any doing that just yet. Now this one has crawled to the top of the cup, but he's not there just yet. Now, we will have to keep watching over the weekend and see if any thing else happens. Now, this one you can see where he has molted. See that big black spot? That is his skin that has come off. Okay, so I'm going to put these back down so I don't break them.